the subject I like best. My favorite subject is science. I love learning about plants, animals, and how things work. Science helps me understand the world around me. In our class, we do fun experiments. One day, we made a volcano with baking soda and vinegar. It was so exciting to see it bubble and fizz. I also enjoy reading about space. Did you know that the sun is a star? It is much bigger than Earth, and it gives us light and heat. Science makes me curious and helps me ask questions like, why is the sky blue? Or how do birds fly? I hope to become a scientist one day and discover amazing things. That's why science is the subject I like the most.